Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford 9N tractor, a modern take on a classic design. This tractor is a tribute to the original Ford 9N, first introduced in 1939, but with 21st century technology and performance upgrades. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. The 2025 Ford 9N stays true to the timeless silhouette of the original 9N, with its compact and practical design. Ford has ensured the nostalgic appeal remains intact by keeping its simple yet iconic lines and hood styling. However, this new model incorporates advanced engineering that enhances its functionality and efficiency for today's farmers and enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford 9N boasts a modern 2.0L turbocharged diesel engine. This power unit is designed to deliver optimal performance with an output of 60 horsepower and impressive torque. The engine is Tier 4 compliant, meeting stringent emission standards while maintaining fuel efficiency. Its advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth operation and minimizes fuel consumption, making it both powerful and economical. The transmission has also seen a significant upgrade. The 2025 model features a hydrostatic transmission with multiple speed settings, offering seamless gear transitions and greater control over different tasks. This makes it perfect for a variety of applications, from plowing and tilling to mowing and hauling. The inclusion of four-wheel drive adds an extra layer of versatility, ensuring the tractor can handle challenging terrains with ease. Ford has equipped the 2025 9N with a host of modern features to enhance operator comfort and convenience. The cabin is ergonomically designed with an adjustable suspension seat, intuitive control layout, and a digital instrument cluster that displays real-time performance data. LED lighting ensures excellent visibility during nighttime operations, while the optional climate-controlled cab provides comfort in all weather conditions. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ford 9N is its advanced technology. It comes equipped with GPS-assisted precision farming capabilities, enabling users to plan and execute tasks with unparalleled accuracy. This feature is particularly useful for optimizing planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. The tractor also includes Bluetooth connectivity and a touchscreen display, allowing users to manage settings and access tutorials or service information with ease. The 2025 Ford 9N is designed with versatility in mind. Its rear 3-point hitch has a lifting capacity of 3,000 pounds, making it compatible with a wide range of implements. Additionally, the PTO system provides 540 RPM and is compatible with various attachments, ensuring you can tackle multiple tasks with a single machine. The front loader compatibility further expands its utility, making it ideal for material handling and other heavy-duty operations. Durability and reliability are at the core of the 2025 Ford 9N. Built with high-strength steel and corrosion-resistant materials, this tractor is engineered to withstand the demands of daily use. Routine maintenance is made simple with easy access to the engine bay, filters, and other key components. Ford also offers a comprehensive warranty and support network, ensuring peace of mind for owners. The 2025 Ford 9N isn't just a machine, it's a tribute to farming history while paving the way for the future. Whether you're a small-scale farmer, a collector, or someone who values innovation with a touch of nostalgia, this tractor is designed to meet your needs. It combines the rugged charm of the past with the advanced capabilities of the present, making it a perfect addition to any farm or property. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ford 9N or what tractor you'd like me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video.